everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And for today's reaction, guys, I thought of doing something different. I thought of reacting to my own video, my own reaction video. Now, as you all know that I have just recently gained 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 beautiful K-pop lovers, and thank you for being part of my journey, because if not for you I would have really not known about K-pop. So, and gotten so deep into this rabbit hole. The reason that I started a separate channel was because of you guys only, because I saw what an amazing response I was getting from all of you and how many people in India loved K-pop. So as a celebration, I thought of reacting to my first ever video when I reacted to K-pop, which was Fake Love by BTS. And oh my god, it's been, I don't know, I have not looked at that video for so long. So I'm a little scared. I think I'll probably cringe at myself only. So I'll react to two of my videos. The first time I reacted to BTS, that was my very first reaction of K-pop, and the first time I found out about Blackpink. So yes, without dealing this, let's just see how I react to my own reaction. 1K celebration. Alright, okay, let's start. Oh my god, I'm a little scared. I think I'm obligated to. Oh, before that, who can tell me what is my wallpaper? Who can tell me which photo is this? This is my lock screen, guys. Who can? Oh, sorry. Who can tell me? The first person to tell me that comment is gonna get pinned. Okay, all right. Oh my god. I had such a basic intro in my old channel, in my other channel.
Hi everyone, welcome to I Just Reacted Video. My name is Ashmita, and this is a little disclaimer before
I think
the reaction video starts. I've already shot the reaction video, and
yeah, I had to give that disclaimer. I had to give that disclaimer because I was cringing, man. I was cringing at my own reaction. I did not expect to react like that to a music video, like pretty boys. Okay, we'll see.
when I saw my own reaction,
Oh my god, the camera quality is horrible. It's horrendous.
so I thought I'll just give you a warning before the actual video starts. And this
Yeah, I should have warned myself also that how. My god,
asking my viewers that please
the audio is awful. I had an awful audio.
have started giving me the suggestions.
Damn, my audio was horrible. My video is horrible.
So let's start with Fake Love.
Why the hell did I keep my screen so small? There was so much space empty over there. I think the addition of the photo frame and the flower vase at the back was pretty okay. Oh my god.
So it's like 2 years old. Okay.
I look so normal right now.
Randomly picked.
I look so normal right now, and then I just start my pretty boys rant. But the screen is so small.
Oh, pretty.
See? My god, the audio is horrible.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.
For those people who have watched this video and stuck with me and thought this was a good, because the like to dislike ratio in this video is not that bad, considering how horrible the audio of this video is. Oh my god.
Wow, that set looks amazing, huh?
Oh no. Look at me so serious.
Oh, he's
I did not know what was about to come in future.
he's also pretty.
Yes, my future brother.
This dude, the one with the black. Oh, okay, there are too many good-looking guys.
That was yeah. Oh my god. Fake love. I'm sorry, but it's fake love. Yeah, I think I was a little awestruck looking at
The
Jin.
black shirt.
The black shirt guy.
So beautiful.
Black shirt guy, deep voice guy. Who knew at that point of time? Who knew at that point of time this This man is gonna become my bias and wreck me left, right, and center. Same.
So there's like a rap.
Are you seeing from the serious face, the smile is getting wider and wider.
Dude, I love his hairstyle.
And now I love him also, along with his hairstyle. Damn!
Wow.
The video quality is horrendous.
He is so pretty too.
Baby
Oh, I
Hobie.
like that step.
I still like that step.
Oh,
Yeah, Jimin. I think I was really awestruck looking at all the boys.
oh my god, they are so pretty. Can I just go back? And I love how this song just shifts from rap to music. Like,
Look how serious I am and look at my reactions now, how hyped up I get.
I have never seen anybody pull middle parting so well. Wow.
I've never seen any pretty boys like this.
Oh wow.
Yes, I know the lyrics of this song now.
This dude, this.
I was awestruck by Jin. Yeah, I think at this point of time,
Heart's beating a little fast.
at this point of time when I said my heart is beating a little fast, I was literally like in awe. I think at this point of time, I sort of knew I was going into that rabbit hole that I wanted to react to more of their stuff. And my brain, I had just registered this at this point of time.
I don't know why.
See,
I don't know
look how I've started blushing.
I'm looking at the subtitles, I'm looking at these
Yeah.
guys, I'm looking at the choreography, finding it really difficult.
Now I'm an expert.
The lyrics are really good. And look at
My
this
God.
guy. Oh, he's so beautiful. Look at his features.
Songjin. Yeah, it's just see my expression now.
Really good, huh?
How
I'm
it
watching
changed.
the subtitles, it's getting very difficult.
Now it doesn't get very difficult. Now I'm an expert at reading subtitles and looking at the video. My brother, who knew?
This boy. Oh, he's so, oh my god. His voice.
Yeah,
His voice.
the deep voice. Oh my god, I am cringing at myself.
Lyrics. Try to erase myself and make me your doll. It's
Love is so bad. Love is so bad.
Subtitles,
Yeah, Ashmita,
voices.
I'm gonna tell you. In future, you will not find it difficult.
This one, yeah. He's also pretty, but this one.
Yes,
that
and now he's my brother.
phone, oh my god. His voice. I
The
really
deep-
like his voice.
Deep voice guy, deep guy voice.
Like he has a deep voice, which I really like.
I still like it. Who knew at this point of time?
Wow.
Oh my god.
Oh, this set is.
This is so weird.
These phones? Oh.
Yes. I know this video now at the back of my head. I've watched it so many times. I've listened to it so many times.
This came in like, which is just in the top of my head. Is
Look
the
how serious I am. Look how serious I am.
big hit, right?
Big Hit must be loaded, I say.
Big hit labels. They must be loaded with.
They must be loaded.
Because the production value of the
See, I can see the DNA thumbnail, then the Blood, Sweat and Tears. The Blood, Sweat and Tears was the second one that I reacted to. Oh my god.
song.
I cannot believe.
Unbelievable. Like, it's like the production value of the song
I think-
is more than the production value of an entire Bollywood film. Because I mean, look.
I think I'm the most calm
I mean,
in this
just
reaction
imagine
only.
putting up so many phones and just making them blink for just this one shot. That's it.
Big Hit does that. Now I know.
Yeah, you need to have a lot of money to do that, and not just this set, like the entire set, the blue set.
I looked so serious, though I was getting really odd, and I think from Blood, Sweat and Tears onwards, I was so hyped. Look at my BTS reactions now. And look at this. I think this is the most serious one. Like amongst all the reactions, this is the most serious one. Because in case of Blackpink, I was already familiar with K-pop and I was really hyped up to react to a girl group. So that is like that reaction has so much energy, and this I'm so calm in this one. Now I can't keep calm in any BTS videos.
Like this set. Look at this set.
I'm so sick of this
Wow.
fake
And
love.
the set with the hands.
Yeah. I look so ignorant here.
Beautiful.
Fake love. Alright,
You can make that as a wallpaper. This dude is so pretty.
yeah, Ashmita, that this dude is gonna kill you in future.
Wow.
Steal your heart away.
Wow.
Get well soon, Yoongi.
To back that because oh, he's so pretty too.
Yeah.
What the hell is happening, yeah?
I think I was really shocked after that.
Subtitles also.
After I watched the video,
Wow.
like after I did my reaction and I posted it, I watched Fake Love so many times, and at that point I decided that I want to react to more of their songs.
I don't know how many times I've said pretty in this reaction because I think you guys can make it as a drinking game.
I have not counted yet how many times I said pretty in my own reaction.
Can I go back? Is that a pile of Snickers?
Now I know why the Snickers are there.
Like, I swear every shot in this song is like a wallpaper. I mean, a pile of
My favorite shot was the phone shot in Fake Love. Look at myself. See now the shock value is increasing. Now I'm smiling more. See?
I'm getting a little speechless here, huh, guys?
I was already speechless in my head. I was thinking, at that point of time, I was thinking that, oh my god, what the hell, man? If this is because this song already had a lot of views at that point of time, and I couldn't believe that I didn't know about them. So because it's one thing when the artists are restricted to their own country, but they already had such a global presence at that point of time. So I was really shocked.
Melody.
don't know
This
why.
dude is also so pretty. All of them are pretty.
All of them are pretty.
There is something going on in the song which I don't understand. This set.
I just know why. 'Cause it's a fake love. Whew! I was so much in awe in my head. I was like, I have to listen to this song again. Let me just finish editing. But the video quality is awful. I'm so thankful whoever has watched this video and decided to stick by me.
This is what I mean. Freaking wallpaper.
Yeah, I know the drowning shot
Like,
now.
here, I mean, you have shitload of money. You can't do that if you don't have money on you. Like, wow.
Yeah, but I think all K-pop video standards are so high.
This is so beautiful.
See now I became extremely awestruck.
Wow. Oh my god, wow.
And now I know the fire reference also now.
See,
Love
this
you
is-
so bad, love you so bad.
Oh. This
Whew!
with the-
This song is amazing. Abs!
Oh, abs. Oh. This dude with the highlights.
The dude is called Jimin Ashmeta. Park Jimin. Fake love.
Oh. The phone guy.
The phone guy. See? I This is so weird.
I'm sorry, they are just so.
Thank you for all the views and the likes on this video. Despite the quality
Song.
and the audio, I think I'm more sad about the audio levels.
Like, wow. And the song, the melody of the song is so good. Save me. Oh. Let me save you. This set. Which love was perfect as the lyrics, dude, the lyrics.
The lyrics I think was just
Who's that?
rolled hand. Yeah.
Wow. That's
And you know what I had liked about this song at that point of time? That let me mute it. So RIP I had also written. So I what I had liked about this song was that I still feel very calm. Look at my BTS reactions now. I am so hyped up. I am so hyped up in my current BTS reactions, but I cringed at that point of time thinking this was so bad. But I just want to say, okay, let me first let it play. I just want to say thank you for people. Because a lot of people still watch this one, and I have to tell them that there is a new channel. But I just want to thank all the people, my OG viewers who found value in this video and thought it was good enough to stick by me. You know, for long term, and otherwise I really wouldn't have. It's only because of you guys and your persistence that I sort of continued reacting to K-pop so much, and I got into it. After I did this reaction, I had thought I'll react to another one of their songs because I really was interested, and maybe like 2-3 songs, and then probably I'll be done, and then oh my god, I just fell into the K-pop rabbit hole, and it has been weird. It has been a great journey. It has been a great journey. I'm so sorry again for the audio levels, and the audio levels and the video quality is horrendous for this song, and I kept the fake love thumbnail so small. I didn't even realize I was really bad at editing at that point of time. I'm not great now also, but I'm better than before. Okay, let's now react to Blackpink's, my first ever reaction. Oh my god, I haven't watched that video in so long. Let's see. Let me open the Blackpink playlist. I feel, and I had changed the pitch of the Blackpink song.
Welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing.
I'm more hyped up now.
Today, I am here with another K-pop reaction. So this was requested by one of the viewers. I will be reacting to another K-pop group. This is an all-girls group called Blackpink. Apparently, they are also very, very huge.
Yeah, I had no idea.
Someone suggested me Blackpink that it was a song name, but turned out that it was a band name. So I'm really sorry. This song is called. So I've chosen a song, Do 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 Do, because I found the title so cool. I don't.
Duru Duru is still, I still love that song. Though I feel in terms of the high voltage Blackpink song, my favorite now is Kill This Love. I like that song more than Duru Duru. But here I am.
Do means, but yes, without dealing this, I am so excited because you know it's a girl K-pop band.
I had
Without dealing this, let's just start with the song. Huh?
I had cut the clips in between again and again
How much money?
because I don't know, for some reason it kept getting blocked.
Blackpink, yes.
Here the audio is a little better.
Of course, I don't know any of their names, guys. What are the Blackpink fandom?
Here I've at least kept the thumbnail big. The fake love one was really tiny. It was this much. Here it's sort of okay, and I feel the audio is better here in the black because I had realized my audio levels were horrible. See, I had cut. I was so fascinated with this step. Pretty savage.
This probably their.
So here I'm saying we are Pretty and Savage, and how ironic that they have a song called Pretty Savage now, where they have made the do 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 reference. You know, for this song, for do 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 do, I was so fascinated that this was a diss song.
Fans called because I know BTS fans are called ARMY, so I'm sure the Blackpink fans are also called something.
Hi Blinks.
Woo! She's so
And she's your bias.
love what she's wearing.
I think for me, I was so fascinated like with the song, like I said, because it was a diss song, and I particularly had never listened to a diss song. So I think that really fascinated me, because I think in general only this was the first ever diss to the haters, that kind of song that I was listening to. So I had never listened to a song like that where you are blatantly giving it back to your haters. So it really impressed me at that point of time. And a girl band doing that was so cool. Na, 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 na. Yeah, I'd cut the clips here.
I love such lyrics where it talks about more
Yes.
empowerment. We need that, ladies. We need that.
I think, very much fascinated that
It's too predictable. Yeah.
like this song was from a girl band. I felt very happy.
Oh, did it do?
Yes. I kept doing this.
Thing that I'm watching right now. Oh my god, this
It is still one of the coolest K-pop videos. I feel it's so catchy, it's so beautiful. If I had to introduce somebody to Blackpink and to a person who likes catchy music, I would now I would tell them Kill This Love, but I would say do and Kill This Love, both. But otherwise, generally I would suggest a song like Stay or Lovesick Girls, or You Never Know. Though those are the songs really nice. Or Whistle, probably. Those are more my kind of songs.
gently gonna get added to my playlist. Hit you with the do. I'm gonna just kill you, man. If you come for me.
Yeah.
Their costumes, their makeup.
Look how happy I am.
That said, how much? So I'm guessing now that all freaking K-pop, videos look like
The audio is so much better. The audio is so much better.
because the sets are amazing. Quality of their videos.
But I feel the video quality is still bad. I feel the video quality is still horrible.
I'm liking this girl lot, the one.
I just feel bad. I feel really bad that they get so much hate. BTS and Blackpink both, because they are so huge and popular. So the more huge you are, the more hate you are getting. So it's really sad. It's really sad.
They don't care. Like, bring it on. Now,
See how I'm dancing? See how I'm dancing? But the video quality is still awful.
oh wow, the song is so catchy.
It's very catchy.
Thought like, woo! They're con-
I never asked the Blinks. Did she get flack for wearing the bindi for cultural appropriation? Because we wear bindi for aesthetics. So
said the choreography.
still, I love this song. What a great song.
I just want all the costumes that I have been wearing. Oh my god, black.
I'm more hyped. I'm more happy because I knew what K-pop was. So that's what. So this was more. So this was like more. More enthusiastic reaction because I knew about K-pop, but I think what fascinated me more that this was a diss song and it was by a girl group. So and I was so stoked to react to a new K-pop group. So and at that point I really did not know how huge they were. So like I was talking, for both these groups, the amount of hate that they get is insane. It's insane. I mean, the love is there, but the hate is hate is so unnecessary. I feel if you don't like an artist for some reason where you're not resonating with the music, I feel it's fine, because not everybody can like BTS music and not everybody likes Blackpink music. That's fine. I feel that if you say that you don't like their music because it's not your cup of tea, I respect that opinion. But if you just hate on people for no apparent reason, like literally hate, because the hate that I see for these two groups is like, you know, as if they are their enemies and that is why these people hate them. I really don't find that logical at all. The second thing is the fan wars. I think Blinks and ARMY have the biggest fan wars, unfortunately. But that really is sad. You shouldn't do that. I mean, for the tiny amount of people that are watching, I feel it's really pointless and it's a waste of your energy. They would only want you to love them and just, you know, enjoy their music, and that's it. And BTS literally gives out the message of loving yourself and, you know, loving others and spreading love. So to have fan wars is really pointless, but it's okay. We are all human beings, nobody's perfect. So yeah, that was me watching my own reaction video. I just thought of doing it just for the heck of it. I thought, what should I do for 1K subscriber celebration? So I thought, let me just react to both of these videos and just have a blast and talk to all of you. So whoever is the Blink and the ARMYs and the multi-stans who are watching this video, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope I come in peace. I love both the groups so much. Let's not get into stupid fan wars, because both of them are unique in their own respective arenas. They both have done a lot of hard work. All the groups that are successful, all the groups that are in K-pop, we should always appreciate that hard work, because K-pop now I know is so competitive, and for them, these two groups to break out and achieve global stardom, it's no joke. So I hope they rise more and more, and I wish all the other K-pop groups also all the best, the 4th gen groups who are doing so well. So yes guys, that was my reaction to my reaction videos. Please do let me know what you thought of it, okay? And yes, I'm gonna be coming out with the B review soon, this week itself. So yes guys, that was it from me today. I hope you subscribe to the channel if you have dropped in here for the first time, and if you're a K-pop lover, I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.